Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a reminder letter. This is a formal document used to politely remind someone about an upcoming deadline, payment, meeting, or obligation. You will begin your reminder letter by adding your name, address, city, postal code, email, phone number, and the date at the top. Below this, include the recipient's name, address, city, and postal code. The subject line should clearly state the purpose of your letter, such as friendly reminder regarding subject of reminder. Finally, address the recipient with a polite greeting before moving into the main content of your letter. After that, write, "I hope this letter finds you well. I would like to kindly remind you about mention the purpose, such as an upcoming payment, deadline, meeting, or obligation scheduled for date. As per our previous discussion agreement, we appreciate your prompt attention to ensure everything proceeds smoothly. Please let us know if you need any further information or assistance regarding this matter. We appreciate your cooperation and look forward to your response at your earliest convenience. Best regards, your name, your designation, if applicable, your company name, if applicable." Here's our sample reminder letter. You'll notice how it politely and professionally reminds the recipient about an upcoming deadline, payment, meeting, or obligation. The letter maintains a courteous tone while clearly stating the purpose and urgency of the reminder. By following this format step by step, you can create a well-structured and effective reminder letter that encourages timely action while maintaining positive communication. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting business letters.